Make money online using other people's videos. In today's video, we're diving into an exciting topic, making money on YouTube without ever creating your own videos. If you've ever dreamed of earning income from the platform, but felt overwhelmed by the idea of being on camera or editing footage, this video is for you. We'll explore various methods that allow you to generate revenue while leveraging existing content. As we navigate through this journey, you'll learn about the importance of alternative income streams on YouTube, especially in a world where financial stability is crucial. By tapping into these methods, you can diversify your earnings and reduce reliance on a single source of income. Moreover, we'll discuss the potential for passive income, where your efforts can continue to pay off long after the initial work is done. So, stick around to discover how you can start earning on YouTube without the hassle of video creation. Understanding YouTube monetization. To successfully earn money on YouTube, it's essential to understand the basics of monetization and its requirements. The YouTube Partner Program, YPP, is the primary pathway for creators to monetize their content. To be eligible, you need at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. Once you meet these criteria, you can apply to join the program and start earning. There are several monetization methods available on the platform, including ad revenue, channel memberships, super chat, and merchandise shelf. Each method offers unique opportunities to generate income based on your audience and content type. However, it's crucial to adhere to YouTube's policies and community guidelines. Violating these rules can lead to demonetization or even account termination, jeopardizing your earning potential. By understanding these fundamentals, you can navigate the monetization landscape effectively and build a sustainable income stream on YouTube. Utilizing affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a powerful way to earn money on YouTube by promoting products or services and earning a commission for each sale made through your referral. To get started, it's essential to identify popular affiliate programs that align with your channel's niche. Programs like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, and ClickBank offer a wide range of products that can resonate with your audience. Once you've chosen your affiliate programs, promoting these products effectively is key. Create engaging content that naturally incorporates the products, such as tutorials, reviews, or unboxings. Including affiliate links in your video descriptions and encouraging viewers to check them out can significantly boost your earnings. However, transparency is crucial in affiliate marketing. Always disclose your affiliate relationships to your audience to build trust and credibility. By being open about your partnerships, you not only comply with regulations but also foster a loyal community that appreciates your honesty. Creating compelling playlists. Creating playlists on YouTube is a fantastic way to organize your content and enhance viewer engagement, ultimately generating more views and revenue. By grouping related videos together, you make it easier for viewers to find and binge watch your content, which can lead to longer watch times and increased ad revenue. To optimize your playlists, start by crafting compelling titles and descriptions that include relevant keywords. This not only helps with searchability but also gives potential viewers a clear idea of what to expect. Consider using phrases that resonate with your target audience to attract more clicks. Additionally, engaging thumbnails play a crucial role in playlist performance. A visually appealing thumbnail can capture attention and encourage viewers to click on your playlist. By combining these strategies, organizing content, optimizing titles and descriptions, and using eye-catching thumbnails, you can create playlists that not only attract viewers but also boost your overall channel performance. Leveraging stock footage and animation. Using stock footage and animation is an effective way to create engaging content on YouTube, without the need for original video production. There are several reputable sources for high-quality stock footage and animations, such as Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and Pexels. These platforms offer a wide variety of clips that can enhance your storytelling and keep viewers captivated. Once you've gathered your stock footage, the next step is to edit and compile it into cohesive videos. Utilize video editing software like Adobe Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro to arrange your clips, add transitions, and incorporate voiceovers or music. This can help create a polished final product that resonates with your audience. Moreover, creative content using stock footage and animation has significant monetization potential. By producing visually appealing and informative videos, you can attract more viewers, increase watch time, and ultimately boost your ad revenue, making it a smart strategy for aspiring creators. Curating content from other creators. Curating and sharing content from other YouTube creators can be a rewarding way to engage your audience while respecting the original creator's work. First and foremost, it's crucial to obtain permission from the creators before using their content. This not only shows respect but also fosters positive relationships within the community. Always credit the original creators in your video descriptions to acknowledge their contributions. One popular method of curation is creating compilation videos or reaction content. By selecting clips from various creators that fit a specific theme or topic, you can provide your audience with a unique viewing experience. Adding your commentary or insights can further enhance the value of the content. Additionally, curating content can help build a community around shared interests. By showcasing diverse creators, you encourage discussions and connections among viewers, creating a vibrant space where everyone feels included and valued. This sense of community can lead to increased engagement and loyalty to your channel. Engaging with your audience engagement is crucial for monetization on YouTube, as it helps build a loyal community that supports your channel. One effective strategy is to actively respond to comments on your videos. Taking the time to reply not only shows your viewers that you value their input but also encourages more interaction, which can boost your video's visibility. Incorporating polls and Q&A sessions into your content is another great way to engage viewers. These interactive elements allow your audience to share their opinions and ask questions, making them feel more connected to you and your content. This two-way communication fosters a sense of belonging and encourages viewers to return for more. Building a loyal subscriber base has numerous benefits, including increased watch time and higher engagement rates, both of which are essential for monetization. A dedicated audience is more likely to support your channel through likes, shares, and even purchases, ultimately enhancing your revenue potential. In this video, we've explored various methods to make money on YouTube without creating your own videos. From leveraging affiliate marketing and utilizing stock footage to curating content from other creators, there are numerous opportunities to generate income while engaging with your audience. We also discussed the importance of audience engagement and how it can significantly impact your monetization efforts. Now it's time for you to take action. Dive into these strategies and start exploring how you can implement them on your own channel. Remember, the potential for passive income is within your reach. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with others who might benefit from these insights. Your support helps us create more valuable content, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.